Hey, in this video, I will show you how to leave a group text or a group message on an iPhone. This method works on any iPhone and is updated for 2021, so you are lucky to stumble upon this wonderful video. So if you appreciate me making a video just like this, you can go ahead and give me a like for the YouTube algorithm. You can subscribe if you are new, and hey, if you have any questions whatsoever, let me know in the comment section down below. By the way, comment down below which country are you watching this video from. I'm really curious to know where you guys and girls are from. So let's start. To leave a group text or a group message on iPhone, you obviously want to click on the group text, and here on top you see how many people are there, right? Or you'll say the X number of people. For me it's 2. Click on here and you have 3 options: audio, FaceTime, and info. You want to click on the third one, info. When it loads up, first you can see the name of the people that are within the group, and you can turn off or leave a group text in 2 ways. First, you can just hide the alerts. So even without leaving, if there's some of your friends but they're posting too much, you won't, give them a bad impression or something. So hiding the alerts is one of the things you can do. Another option is to just click on leave this conversation, and if there's multiple people and you didn't create a group, you can just click on leave conversation and be out of here. It will be a red button for you. I really hope this video helped you out, because this is the idea. This is why we're making hundreds of videos per week. And by the way, make sure you like it, because each like on this video helps us out tremendously and gets us a few more views. I want to see you in one of the next videos.